Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. In this video we will be seeing the attributes of numpy. Okay, in the last video we have already started with the introduction of numpy. In this video we will be seeing attributes of numpy. So here we are creating an array of 5 elements with the help of arrange function in numpy. Okay, a equals to np dot arrange, and before that you have to import the numpy library. Okay. So a equals to np dot arrange 5 elements. So it will create an array of 5 elements 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let us see the attributes. First one is nd array, that is in numpy normal array. So whichever is the array in numpy is called as nd array. Nd array will be the name of the array. Dot ndim will return the dimension of the array. So you know array are having multiple dimensions. It can be 1 dimensional, it can be 2 dimensional, 3 dimensional and so on. So nd array dot ndim will return the dimension of the array. If suppose we are thinking of this array, this is 1 dimensional array, so it will return 1. Okay. Now next nd array, that is the array name dot d type will return the data type. Okay, and if suppose the array is of type integer 32, okay, it can be integer 32, can be integer 64 for unsigned numbers. Okay, so if suppose it is of type int 32, then it will return int 32. Now next is shape. So shape will return the number of rows and number of columns in the array, if suppose it is multi-dimensional array. Now next, size. Size will return what is the size, that means size of the array, that means number of elements in the array. So size attribute will return number of elements in the nd array. Now next, item size. Item size will return you the size of each item in bytes. Okay, so suppose it is int 32 kind of data, it will return 4 because each number is having 4 bytes of memory. Okay, next, data. So this attribute is not much used or it is very rarely used. It is used for buffering the data. Okay, buffering the data of array. But as in numpy we are using the indices to access the array elements, the buffering is not used. Okay, so hope you understood the attributes of numpy. Hope to see you in upcoming videos. Till then, subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.